What's up, Genzolas? So, on the 5th of December, Monstar held the gala premiere for Papa Zola the movie Game On, which will release in Malaysian cinemas from 11 December, and in other territories, I'm not sure when yet, but I think in Indonesia they will be released on January next year, so you have to wait a little bit. Yeah, so let's see the swag that everyone got for the gala premiere. So this is what the box looked like. Pretty cool. And yeah, little did I know, and maybe it's gonna be new for everyone else too. PAPA stands for Protect and Prevent Agency. Alright, so let's open the box right now. Okay, so the first item here is a t-shirt with the poster slap on it, a call to action card, and then there's a QR code. I'm not sure what that is for. If you want it, you can scan it. What else is here? Event card, another QR code for you to scan. What is this? Pin, okay, of Papa Zola's face, okay, and let's read that. Dalam dompet tinggal angin, gunalah minyak angin. No. It's a freaking ointment with this, you know, Papa Zola's engineering stupid that joke pun. So there you go, right? You know, if you have a bit of a headache, there's some ointment there. And at the moment you were waiting for, look at this. It's Mask Papa. The one, the thing that he's wearing right here. There you go. So let's see what it looks like up close. Wow. Oh, even less than sound effects. Oh, crap. That's cool. Whoa. Oh, it's, yeah, I guess there's lights and sound. So there's the USB charger for it. Oh, it's rechargeable. That's cool. That's thoughtful. And oh, crap. This is so cool. How do you turn it on? How do you... Oh, man. Not charged. That's unfortunate. And I guess now let's see how it looks like on my head. Yeah. Oh, okay. It's adjustable. Thoughtful. Ha ha ha. Kebenaran. Tak pernah nampak sensor ini. I'm so cringe because I just appreciate the cringe. Oh man, I am an uncle, so it's adjacent to be a dad. So there you go, the unboxing experience for the swag that we got during the Papa Zola Gala premiere. This is a freaking cool eye mask. So cool. Yeah, I wish I could show you what it does. You say it's not charged apparently, so yeah. And that's it from me. Kebenaran terpaksa pergi.